thunderstorm! In the dark of night, a fierce thunderstorm suddenly sweeps across the area, sending Deliveroo swaying dangerously through flashing bolts of lightning. At that moment, the tall antenna on the hill begins to tilt, shaking violently and threatening to collapse at any second. The rescue team immediately receives the emergency call. Bobby, Healy, Flair, and Jet charge into the storm at full speed. It's not just the rescue team. Every construction vehicle joins in. They clear paths, push debris aside, and climb toward the hill through violent gusts. When they arrive, the antenna is already leaning dangerously. Each vehicle takes position, bracing against the wind and stabilizing the base in a tense, critical moment. The antenna shakes violently, on the verge of snapping. Every vehicle gives its all, pulling, pushing, lifting, bracing, to keep it standing through the furious thunderstorm. Thanks to their strength and perfect teamwork, the antenna finally stabilizes safely.